Welcome to BD Preventive Welfare Society, where we break down the science that matters to your life and the planet. Did you know that porn could be silently eroding your confidence? It's more common than you think, and today, we're uncovering the truth behind its impact on your mental health, relationships, and self-esteem. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to take back control. The problem? Let's start with the facts. Research shows that frequent porn consumption can lead to lower self-esteem, feelings of guilt, and even challenges in building meaningful relationships. Here's why: unrealistic expectations. Porn often presents a distorted view of intimacy. Over time, it sets up unrealistic standards that make you question your own worth. Mental health struggles. Watching porn can create a cycle of guilt and shame, leading to anxiety or even depression. You might think you're alone in this, but millions face the same battle. Impact on relationships. The constant comparisons can make real-life connections feel inadequate. This can hurt intimacy, trust, and communication with your partner. Why it happens? Now, why does this happen? The answer lies in your brain chemistry. Dopamine overload. Porn triggers a rush of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. Over time, your brain gets desensitized, making it harder to find satisfaction in everyday achievements. Self-worth challenges. When you internalize the unrealistic standards shown in porn, it's easy to feel like you don't measure up, whether it's in appearance, performance, or relationships. Disconnection. Excessive porn consumption often leads to less real-world interaction, leaving you isolated and detached from authentic experiences. The fix? Here's the good news: you can break free and rebuild your confidence. Here's how. Acknowledge the issue. Awareness is the first step. Reflect on how porn is affecting your life and set a goal to change. Replace the habit. Instead of reaching for your device, engage in productive activities. Exercise, pick up a new hobby, or spend time with friends. Boost your confidence, invest in self-care. Build skills, practice mindfulness, and surround yourself with positive influences. Seek help if needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to a therapist or join a support group. Sometimes, having guidance can make all the difference. Remember, this isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Call to action. If this resonates with you, take the first step today. Like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more tips to improve your mental and emotional well-being. And if you've got your own experiences or advice, drop them in the comments. Let's support each other. You've got this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.